the Easter Bunny.
Oh my gosh, you guys.
Alright guys, it's one day before Easter. It's time to start planning for Brandy's Easter egg hunt. Every single year I put on a scavenger hunt, an Easter egg hunt, something for her, whether it's her birthday or Christmas or Easter. So I've started preparing. I already actually created her Easter basket. It's hidden somewhere in the house. I still gotta figure out where I wanna hide that. But I'm kind of trying to switch it up this year and hide the final clue to where the basket is in a pretty interesting way. So I'll keep you guys posted on what I do there. All right, y'all, welcome to a new vlog. Today is Easter. And so this is gonna be our Easter vlog. It started morning, it's just me because Brandy's still asleep because I have a couple things I gotta do to make sure the Easter Bunny did its job. It's the next morning. Everything's ready. I just have to stuff the eggs and hide them. So it's about 5 o'clock, she's still asleep. This is how I always do it. We go way before she does, get everything hidden. So when she wakes up, it's all ready to go. So time to hide some Easter eggs. All right, I have these little paper eggs that I made, and inside of those are essentially single words or pictures, and she has to put them together and it'll essentially point to where her Easter basket is, and these little paper eggs will be hidden inside of all the other eggs. So until she finds them all, she won't have enough of a message to figure out where her Easter basket is. That's what the hunt always is. It's where her Easter basket is and how she can find it. So, yeah. All right, all the eggs have been hidden. I think there's like, I don't know, maybe 20 in total. So it's time to go wake her up and let her know that the Easter Bunny has arrived and is gone. But at least he was here. I'm the Easter Bunny. Surprise, surprise. Adult. One of the most important things to hunting Easter eggs is making sure you've had your coffee. Why? I don't really know, but that's just part of being an adult. You gotta have some coffee in the morning. So that's what I'm doing now. Making her some coffee and myself some coffee so that we're ready to do this thing. Done. Time to go wake her up. There are no rules, but there's something to keep down. There's about 20 eggs hidden. I hid them pretty good this year. And there are 8 of them that are special. And what those have inside of them are additional eggs, like paper eggs. And you cannot open those paper eggs until you find all the eggs.
There's 20 of them? There's
about 20 total, 8 special ones. Sound good? Let the hunting begin. She's on the prowl. What could it mean?
Oh gosh. something blue. Z. Freezer. I was right.
You are
So
right.
I love these.
So what does this mean?
Freezer. Right here?
No.
Oh my gosh, you guys.
All right, do it. It's gonna make you work for it. There you go.
Baby blue booty.
Do you know what that is?
Yeah.
Da-na-na-na. She said not to get candy for Easter, but I did the exact opposite. She has completed the Easter hunt. How you feel?
I feel really good.
Happy Easter.
Thank you.
We hope you all had an amazing Easter.
If you guys ever want to do a scavenger hunt, you might want to save this video because he's the king of scavenger hunts. He does this for me every year, and I'm an adult, but I still love it.
Husbands, anybody that's, or anybody, I did this for her when we were dating.
Yeah.
If you really just want to have a good time, surprise your wife or your girlfriend, create a scavenger hunt for her.
He does
literally.
it for Christmas too.
Yeah, Christmas, birthdays,
Birthday.
everything.
I think there's a video he put balloons. Our entire living room was filled with balloons, and I had to pop all the freaking balloons.
To get the clues.
To get the clues.
I had hidden the clues inside the balloons to show
And you
them
didn't
all.
know which balloons had it because these were like these weird colored balloons.
There was literally like 50 balloons all over the floor.
We hope, yeah, it was so much fun. And this is so, I love this.
Yeah.
This is amazing. So if you guys, hope you guys have a good Easter and get to spend time with family or friends and just enjoy the holiday because it is a good
Yes.
one.
Remember why it's a holiday. It's not just about the Easter Bunny.
Yeah, it's not about candy.
Yes, it's not about candy, even those are awesome aspects of it. It really is about Jesus rising from the dead and doing some amazing things to give us a life and freedom. And so keep that in mind. Grace. We hope you have an amazing holiday with lots of candy, lots of fun, and
if you wanted to be a part of this scavenger hunt, give this a thumbs up. Or if you want Josh to come to your house and do one for you, give it a thumbs up. And of course, subscribe to our channel below.
thanks guys. We'll see you.
Bye.